स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।
Hello my dear friends, Namaskar, my name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Venus transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Venus. According to Vedic astrology, the planet Venus is very important because it provides marital happiness, material things, wealth, and luxury to the native. With the auspicious effect of Venus, a person attains all the comforts of wealthy life. For the peace of the planet Venus, you should start worshipping from the coming Friday in the Shukla Paksh. Since Venus is also called the factor of marriage, unmarried people should worship Venus. You should take some time out of your busy schedule and watch this program so that you can know the effect of Venus transit in your zodiac. This time, Venus will transit in Gemini on 28th of April 2021 to 22nd of June 2021. Let's start the journey of future prediction along with some remedies which can give you auspicious results. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. Websites and application developers, social media and technology persons will do really good in their business. Most of your time will be spent in doing some good work, which will give you a pleasant fruit in the coming time. You can start a new relationship in life. People who are already in a relationship may get special benefits from their partner during this period. At the family level, you will be working for your siblings, which will reduce their workload slightly. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. This transit of Venus will prove to be very beneficial for the people of Taurus zodiac. Financially, you will be able to accumulate wealth by saving a lot. If you have a case related to the court, then the decision is expected to come in your favor. There will be sweetness in your speech. As a result, you will be able to impress others. There will be some auspicious work in your family. If you are married, your spouse's health may decline, due to which you may have to face mental stress. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. You will have to learn new things and do gain knowledge. As a result, you will be able to touch new heights in business. You will get a special opportunity to highlight the artist qualities hidden inside you. You can benefit from the advice of a particular person or a known foreign person. There will be newness in your love relationship and romance will grow between both of you. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. If you are associated with online business, marketing, resource business, then you can get profit. Business of hotel, restaurant, travel agencies and fashion boutique will not be successful, but don't worry, situation will come in your favor recently. Your ability to learn from your mistakes at the workplace will become your specialty. Expenditure on the means of happiness will be high. You will spend happy time with your love partner and life partner. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. If you try in any field, then you will definitely get success in it. Efforts to get job will be successful. Financially, it will be difficult for you, but do not worry because you can get financial help from your siblings. You can get immense benefit through your working style. Health disorders will be likely to arise, so be careful. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. The income of those who do business of online food and goods service will be fine. The financial level will be very beneficial if you are working with your friend. You can change job or can get transferred during this period. There will be an atmosphere of peace in the house and you will be able to spend a good time with the family members. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Business persons will fail in an attempt to complete an important task on time for more profit. It would be better to be focused to complete the work on time at the workplace. Student, artists, and players will be busy in learning new things. You will spend a good quality time with friends and relatives. You will get an encouragement from higher officials of society. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Some special achievement is possible for people associated with social work or politics. You may face some obstacles in the field of business. At the workplace, a challenge will become your support system. An argument can be made with the spouse about something. It would be better for you to stay away from the situation. You will need to take special care of your health during this transit of Venus. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Those involved in the field of business related to garment shop, restaurant, food and beverages stall or consulting may get some losses. Stay calm at the workplace and work with positive energy to keep yourself balanced under all circumstances. Artists and players should not get angry in their respective field. Your fame and respect in the society will increase due to change of Venus. You can be worried about wealth, about health of the mother and father, so take special care of them. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. Those who do fertilizer business will suffer. There will be a feeling of anxiety and tension at the workplace. The mind will be disturbed by direct thoughts due to the deterioration of the health, especially of your child. You and your partner may be little worried. Argument with siblings can make you very depressed and you may feel. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. Those who do online research work will have a better time. Business will be fine. Profit will be there. You may get promoted at the workplace. Family problems will decrease because of efforts. You will spend quality time with your loved ones. Student, artists, and players will try to show their enthusiasm and confidence in their respective field. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. Those who work in the hand printing, book stall, car garage, or travel business will not get luck. But don't worry, future will be yours. There will be obstacles in the work done by the employed people at workplace. Be patient and careful while doing money related transactions. Players should keep their anger under control by keeping silence. You will continue to strengthen your relationship with the family in these difficult circumstances. You may suffer from fever or cough related problems, so take proper medication. My dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies which will give you auspicious results. Worship of Shukra Yantra is advised, especially on Friday. Worship Goddess Durga or Ma Lakshmi and offer them kheer. Worship little girls and take their blessings by offering them white color sweets or candies. My dear friends, it was my analysis for Venus transit. I wish you all good health and speedy recovery to those who are suffering in the pandemic situation. I will always be available for you to solve your problems. I would advise to stay at home and be safe. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is, believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar.
स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।